welcome back to my channel. And I don't know if you guys can hear this since my phone audio is very sensitive. It captures all sounds, and my house is also in the middle of the city, so the sounds of the cars and stuff are quite loud. But I'm doing this video is because a few days ago I had a conversation with my mom, and she was asking about green screen. She thought that green screen can only work on green color, but I'm here to prove her that you can still use any type of color. But why green though? And I did not do lots of research about this, but I just wanted to prove that you can still use on any color. And this idea also I got it from TikTok because I saw somebody do it, and I think it's quite a simple what you can say that I think it's one way simple to show people how green screen works. So I did a drawing. This is a very simple drawing. It's not my best. I didn't like it much because I didn't put more time and effort to it, but it's the least I can give as an example. So I'm drawing 3 characters from Powerpuff Girls, Blossom, Buttercup, and Bubbles. So I'm gonna show you the whole process for TikTok that I did over here. So let's start off with Blossom first. Okay, now I'm gonna show you the whole process that I did on After Effects for this one. So I think now people know how it works and how it is. It's not that hard, it's quite easy to do so, but all you need to do is make sure that the color is very opaque, and it's easier if you have like a one tone color. Like in my previous video that I shared with you guys, I did with lots of in this paint we have like sort of lots of shade, and it makes it a little bit complicated. But now I'm going to show you that I can also do it right now. So because in this whole thing we don't have any color blue except for this background, so that's where it makes it easier to do so. So now I'm gonna add the effect right now. Does it work, the magic? Now next we're gonna go for bubbles. It's the same process, and because it has like green screen, which is much regular with what people do, because green screen gives that reflex of like a normal tone. Okay, you guys can also see that my background is also green, and we're gonna test it out on bubbles, which is also green but a different type of green, but we'll see if the magic can work. So I don't know if this worked because I haven't done it before, and in this editing set probably they're gonna distort a bit from the background, but I'll just do the explanation while I'm editing. You know, in our skin tone we have a little bit of red, and this is where it affects the red background. So I'm going to show you the TikTok which I did. No, I'm going to show you the process that I did for this one, and it turns out bad over here. Film production crew, they don't just use any colors. And why do they pick either blue or green screen? And that's because of the hues when you're trying to pick a color to give out the chroma key thing. I don't know, I'm not good so much at explaining this, but I hope you guys understand. But anyways, I'm still going to show you how it turns out. Probably it will distort some red tints that has on my skin and face while trying to chroma key onto this red color. So let's try. I think it must have taken a bit tint and make this set a bit more like desaturated. So that's how color works in green screen editing things. So I hope you guys and also my mom now understand how green screen works and why they only use blue and green and not just any other colors. And you can see more. I will attach this one video that is very useful to explain more, but I will attach this one link that I watched on YouTube, and he explained it amazingly about green screen and blue screen. It'll be on my description, you can see it now. So that's all from me. I hope you guys understand, and I will try to produce more useful videos like this in a much more simpler way to explain. And don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. See you guys next time on my next video.